So, I'm really high up in this tree right now. Stephanie's down there. The platform is about 15 feet off the ground. I am currently at the top of this tree. So I'm gonna videotape me going up a little higher. Got this. This is documentation. In case I fall, what I was doing. Oh! No, I'm just kidding. Alright, let's go down. No, this has to be on video.
No, you're gonna drop it.
I will not drop it. Want a bet? Got this. Oh shit. Okay. You go like that way. You want to catch it?
I probably won't. It'll bounce off of something.
Oh, I got a stick up my ass.
Good.
Oh. Get out. God damn. Fucking stick.
I saw that. It was funny as hell. I was breaking it.
Get down. It's a lot further than it looks. My descent out of the tree. Probably a shitty ass video. I can't afford a GoPro. What's up?
Shit back at you.
Use my ass to break that.
You want me to hold that?
Here you go.
And there's Reno. Trying to get down.